How to design eye-catching thumbnails in Canva for YouTube. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using Canva. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any crucial steps. So let's get started. First, open up Canva and type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. Canva already has the correct dimensions set up, so all you need to do is pick a blank template or choose from one of their many pre-designed options. Now, the key to a great thumbnail is contrast and clarity. Use a bright background or a high-contrast image that makes your content pop. You can upload your own photos or choose one from Canva's library. If you're using your own image, use the background remover tool to cut yourself out. It adds a professional touch instantly. Next, add bold, readable text. Use big fonts, short phrases, and high-contrast colors like white text on a dark background or vice versa. Avoid clutter. People should know what your video is about in just a second. Then add a few graphic elements or emojis to spice things up. Arrows, circles, or glow effects can draw attention to specific parts of your thumbnail. But don't go overboard. Keep it simple and clean. And here's a quick pro tip. Zoom out to 10% before downloading your thumbnail. If it still looks good and readable at a small size, you're golden. That's how it'll look on YouTube. Once you're happy with the design, just hit the download button. And you're done. That's it. You've just designed a professional-looking YouTube thumbnail using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.